Hello everybody, this is Ed and today we're checking out this M.2 Magnetic Docking Station. This one's from ORICO and this company sent me this to check out. 8-in-1 USB-C hub and an M.2 2230 NVMe enclosure. So let's go ahead and check this one out. Alright, so here is the product right here. It does come with a USB-C to USB-C connection, heatsink pads, and you also have a magnetic ring. So if you have a phone that does not have MagSafe, and you have a screwdriver to get into the product, and the screw to screw down the SSD is right here. It also comes with 2 silicone thermal pads. So let's go ahead and place this in there. So here is your PC in, and this is where you plug this cord, and this is where you connect to your phone or your computer or your tablet. So this product combines a high-speed M.2 2230 NVMe SSD enclosure with an 8-port USB-C hub, allowing you to expand storage and connectivity simultaneously. And as you can see right here, you have your SSD, you have your micro or TF SD card here, 3.5mm jack, HDMI connection here, PD 100 watts, charge to this device here, USB-A connection, USB-C connection here. So it features strong integrated magnets for secure mounting to the back of iPhones and Android devices. Again, they do come with a magnetic ring if you need it. It's designed for stable one-hand operation. So on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, there it is. Nice strong hold. Here is a Samsung phone. This product supports direct 4K ProRes video, saving from iPhone 15, 16, and 17 Pro models to an SSD up to 2 terabytes or an SD or TF cards, ideal for mobile creators. Then you go to your file. As you can see, there it is, NVMe SSD. And click on that. There it is. And as you can see, I downloaded a picture from my MacBook to the hard drive, and there it is. Go ahead and put this storage device in here, USB-A. There it is. Click on that, and there you go. This docking station stands out as a versatile multi-tool, effortlessly bridging the gap between a high-capacity mobile storage solution and a full-featured desktop hub. Whether you're offloading high-resolution footage in the field or docking to your laptop for a multi-monitor setup, its magnetic design and wide port selection adapt to almost any creative or professional workflow.